Hello, in this video I will show you how to proceed after Roblox have sent you the customer support ticket. So once you have completed the ticket process on the Roblox help page, and then you will receive an automated ticket. Now, inside the ticket you will find a few articles that might help you to fix your issue, whatever issue you may be facing. So as you can see, these are the articles that Roblox would mention you. Now it will vary depending on the problem that you are facing. So what you have to do is, once you have got the automated ticket, just simply check the articles over here and see if any of them is helping you to fix your issue or not. And if the article did not help you, someone from the support team will automatically contact you within 4 to 5 days. And it's also possible that they could contact you the same day as well. So as you can see right over here, I received this email on 9th of September and it was about 4:30. Now, I got the email from a support team member after approximately 1 hour on that same date, as you can see right over here. And right over there, they will help you to fix your issue. So the time might vary. Now, if they didn't respond to your ticket at all, all you have to do is just simply reply them directly. So just simply go to this option and then type your own reply over here. And then after that, they will definitely reply you. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.